Hey guys, this is Tarek. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to use text to speech software for YouTube. So you can make video without your voice, just use artificial voice. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser on your laptop, or you can use your mobile. Just go to voicemaker.com, voicemaker.in, and enter. This website is totally free and it works on mobile and laptop also. So here's the interface, and here's the lots of free voice, and just type your text here. I just passed my intro, then select neural TTS, then select any of the voice. Here is the male and female voice also, and also has child voice. So I'm select Gianna, then click on the convert speech. Then you need to wait a little bit.
Hey guys, this is Anis Tarek. Welcome back to another video.
I think you are hearing, so I change another one.
Guys, this is Anis Tarek. Welcome back to another video.
And change to male voice.
Guys, this is Anis Tarek. Welcome back to another video.
So you can change voice volume or voice speed from here, and you can change British English to another language. Here's the lots of language, so I just use the English US. After finishing your convert speeds, then simply click on the download mp3, and mp3 file downloaded on your computer. Then you can use YouTube for making YouTube video. It is totally free and you can monetize your video with this voice, no copyright issue. So pretty much that's it. I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you on next.